എല്ലാവർക്കും വണക്കം. സുഖമാണോ? That's all. I think with each one of them, SK sir is I've always said sweetheart to work with, and the first part of while you're doing it, ரொம்ப nervousness and you have to be comfortable. So that comfort needed sir had given. He was very kind enough to teach me also the language. Ravi sir is very scary. You cannot believe that. He's the kindest person who can, I don't know how he does it on screen. Although this is the first time he's playing a negative shade, and I think he was brilliant in it. Very, very scary, but very, very sweet of man. Atharva sir, I think he brings in so much charisma and young energy, and we share that great friendship in the film. I think that translates off screen as well. So I'm very, very fortunate and lucky. Yeah, thank you.
ശരിക്കും രവി മോഹൻ സാർ സ്കെയർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് ഞെട്ടി. കാരണം he is our sweetheart. പിന്നെയാണ് മനസ്സിലായത് you are referring to the character he plays in the movie.
100%.
ഓൾസോ ഇപ്പോ തെലുഗു കഴിഞ്ഞു, കന്നഡ കഴിഞ്ഞു, സൂൺ ഹിന്ദി, തമിഴ്, അടുത്തത് മലയാളം ആയിരിക്കുമോ? When will you act in Malayalam?
Yes, waiting. I really, really want to. I learn Malayalam properly and actually my nickname is Ammu, so all my Mallu friends call me Ammu Kuti.
We've got so many Ammukuttis in Kerala. So എങ്ങനെയാണ് മലയാള സിനിമകൾ കാണാറുണ്ടോ? Do you have a favorite Malayalam movie? And if I'm asking your favorite Malayalam movie from last year, കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷത്തെ ഏറ്റവും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട മലയാള മൂവി ഏതാണ്?
Loka was really good.
Loka, okay, definitely our favorite too. And is there any particular actor from the Malayalam industry you're waiting to work with? ഒരാളുടെ പേര് പറയാൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണെന്ന് എനിക്ക് അറിയാൻ പറ്റിയ.
I've always been very fond of Mammootty sir and Dulquer sir. So
Mammootty sir and Dulquer sir. All right, and earlier I saw you interacting with our lovely media friends and you're having a very fun banter. ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ അവരെന്തെങ്കിലും മലയാളം വേർഡ്സ് പറഞ്ഞു തന്നോ? Do you know any Malayalam words? Did they teach you?
They were so kind enough to actually teach me. They were teaching me some songs, and then they were like, which song was that?
Kanna Tummi Poramo.
Kanna Tummi Poramo. They were singing that song.
Wow.
So
പാട്ട് പറയാൻ പഠിച്ചു അല്ലേ? So let's do something. I'm not asking you to sing the song in Malayalam, but instead, how about we ask all of them to watch the movie in Malayalam? Okay, so can you try repeating after me?
Yes.
എല്ലാവരും പരാശക്തി തിയേറ്ററിൽ പോയി കാണണം. So thank you so much, Srilila.
കൂടുതൽ വാർത്തകൾക്ക് ന്യൂസ് 18 കേരളം യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക.